fun way to upgrade LEGO cars. Today I'm giving this LEGO car a major upgrade. First I improved the steering, which now looks great. Next I'm upgrading the chassis to make it much stronger. In short, it's going to have an amazing chassis. Right now we are upgrading the chassis, and to give it a nice design we have some small LEGO blocks that we're using in detail to make it look better. Honestly, I don't even know what I'm building at the moment, but once it's finished, it will definitely turn out to be a great upgrade. Friends, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe quickly and leave a comment on the video. The best comment will be featured in our next video. Now only the front and back parts of our build are left to be connected with a few blocks. Let's attach them and complete the structure. We're almost done. Oh, we forgot to add a tire attachment. Right now, our chassis is ready and we've given it a very good design. Now I am building the engine section, and it's going to be very strong because the heart of any vehicle is its engine. Everything runs from there. That's why we need to upgrade the engine as well. We have to build the engine meticulously because we have to build the engine perfectly so that it becomes a great and a powerful engine.